Morning children, welcome to another session of maths. Today let us see what topic we are going to do. Our topic is chapter number 3, addition without carrying over, part 4. Okay, we have already finished part 1, 2 and part 3. Today we are going to continue our session with part 4. Now in part 4, what we are going to do? Let us see. Here, draw H for hundreds. What is our question? Draw H for hundreds, T for tens and U for units in the following problems and add. Now here, what you are going to do is, you are going to draw hundreds for H, you are going to draw for hundreds, T you are going to draw for tens and U you are going to draw for units for the following numbers which is given below. Okay, now see, what is our number? From your right hand side you are going to start. Okay, always you are going to start from your right hand side. So, right hand side number, that is in unit place. Which number is this? Yes, number 1. Which number is in unit place? Number 1. So, we are going to draw 1 unit. Okay, we are going to draw 1 unit. Now, in tens place, which number is there? Number 3. Correct. So, we are going to draw how many tens? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. For 3 tens, we are going to draw 3. For 3, we are going to draw 3 tens. Now, how many hundreds? See which number is in hundred place? Number 2. Okay, so we are going to draw how many hundreds? 1 and 2. Okay, so see, what is, now read like that, 2H, that means it will be 200. Okay, 3 tens, that it will be 30 and 1 unit, it will be 1. So it will be 231. Okay, now see the next number. Below that, 321. Okay, now which number is in unit place? Number 1. So again we are going to draw 1 unit. Okay, and then how many tens? Which number is in tens place? Number 2. Correct. So how many tens we are going to draw? 1 and 2. Okay, now which number is in hundreds place? Number 3. So how many hundreds we are going to draw? 1, 2 and here comes 3. Okay. So now see how many hundreds? 3 hundreds. Okay. So here 300 and 2 tens. 2T means 2 tens and 1 unit. Okay, that is U is 1 unit. So 300, 2 tens and 1 unit. Now we have to add. Now if we add unit to units. Okay, so how many units are there? See, 1 and 2. So we are going to write 2 units. Okay, now how many tens are there? 3 tens and again 2 tens. Okay, so how many it will be? 3 and 2. How many tens? Yes, 5. Correct. Then again 2 plus 3. How many hundreds? Count and see how many hundreds you have drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what number we get? By adding this, 552. That is 552. Now let us see the next number. 541, that is 541 plus 125, that is 125, that is 125. Now see which number is in unit place? Number 1. So how many units we are going to draw? 1. Okay. Now, which number is in tens place? Number 4. So, how many tens we are going to draw? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now, which number is in hundreds place? 5. Correct. So, how many hundreds we are going to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So see, we have drawn 5H. Okay, that means 500. 40, that is 40. Okay, 4 tens is 40 and 1 unit. So it will be 41. So a number is 541. Now 125. Which number is in units place? Number 5. Okay. So how many units we are going to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4 and here comes the 5. Okay. So 5 units. Which number is in tens place? Number 2. So how many tens we are going to draw? 1 and 2. Which number is in hundreds place? Number 1. So how many hundreds we are going to draw? 1. Here comes. Now see how many H we have drawn? 1. So that it becomes 100. Then 2 tens, 2 T tens. So 2 tens. So it will become 20. And how many units? 5. So it will become 125. Now we are going to add. Okay. Now we are going to add units to units. So how many total units are there? Count and tell me. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1 plus 5 is how much? 6. Okay. Now tens. How many tens? Count and tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So again we are getting 6. Okay. So here also if we add 4 plus 2, what we will get? 6. Okay. How many hundreds now? Count and tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 100 also we are having number 6. So if we add 541 plus 125, then our answer will be 666. Okay. You can add this in your notebook also and you can check the answer. Okay. So our answer is 666. Now let us see the next sum. 631 and 333. Now here which number is in unit place from your right hand side? Number 1. So how many units we are going to draw? Only 1 unit. Okay. And which number is in tens place? Yes, 3. So how many tens we are going to draw? 1, 2 and here comes the 3. So 3 tens. Now which number is in hundreds place? Number 6. So how many hundreds we are going to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is already there. So see how our number is. We have drawn 6H, that is 600, 3 tens, that is 30 and 1 unit, that is 31. So 631. Okay. Now in the next below that, which number is in units place? Number 3. Okay. So how many units we are going to draw? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And which number is in tens place? Number again 3. So how we are going to draw? 1, 2 and here comes the 3. Okay. So how many 100? 3. So 1, 2, and here comes 3. Now here also see, 3h is 300. Then 3t is 30. And 3 units is 33. So 333. Now we are going to add this. Okay. So first let us count the unit. How many units we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. Now how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 tens. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many hundred? 9. So when we add 631 plus 333, we get our answer 964. Okay, you can add also and check the answer. Now come to the next sum. 322 plus 114. Okay, so which number is in unit place? Number 2. So how many units we are going to draw? 1, and here comes 2. Okay, and how many tens? Which number is in tens place? Again the number 2. Okay, so how many tens we are going to draw? 1 and 2. And how many which number is in hundred place? Yes, 3, correct. So 1, 2, and here comes 3. Okay, now see, 300, that is 3h will become 300, 2 tens will become 20, and if we add that 20 to 2 units, it will become 22. So 322. Okay, now 114. So which number is in units place? Number 4. So how many units we are going to draw? 1, 2, 3, and here comes 4. Okay, and how many tens? 1, correct. So 1 tens. How many hundreds? 1, correct. So now see, 1h, that is 100, 1t, that is 10, and 4 units. So when we add that 1t to 4 units, it will become 14. So 114. Now let us count the units first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many tens? 1, 2, 3. So 3. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. If we add 322 plus 114, then also we get the answer 436. Okay. Now to the next sum. 131, that is 131 plus 532. Okay. Now let us see which number is in units place. Number 1. Okay. Which number is in units place? Number 1. So we are going to draw only 1 units. Okay. Which number is in tens place? Number 3. So how many tens? 1, 2, and here comes 3. Which number is in hundreds place? Correct, 1. So how many hundred? 1. Correct. Okay. Now 532. So units place, how many number? Which number is there? Number 2. So 1 unit is already drawn there. Now we'll draw 1 more unit. So it is 2 units. Okay. Now how many tens? 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add. See, 5 H's 500, 3 tens 30 and 2 units is 32. Okay, now we are going to add. Okay, start from unit 1, 2 and 3. So how many units? 3. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 tens. How many hundred? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 600. So when we add 131 plus 532, what we get? 663. Okay, what we get? 663. Let us see the next sum. So let us do now the next sum. What is the number in units place? Number 2. So how many units we are going to draw? 1 and 2. Correct. Okay. Now which number is in tens place? Number 4. Okay. So how many tens we are going to draw? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. And which number is in hundreds place? Number 1. So how many hundreds we are going to draw? 1. Okay. So how we are going to read? See, 1H, that is 100. 40, that means 40. 4 tens is 40 and 2 units. So 42. So 142. Okay. Plus 224. Okay. So which number is in units place in 224? Correct. 4. So how many units we are going to draw? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. And which number is in tens place? Correct. Number 2. So how many tens? 1 and 2. And which number is in hundreds place? Number 2. So how many hundreds? 1 and here comes 1. Okay. So now let us count. Unit first. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are getting 6 unit. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 tens. How many hundred? 1, 2, 3. So 300. Okay. So if we add 142 plus 224, then also we are going to get the answer 336. Okay. Now let us see the next. 221, 115. 221 plus 115. Okay. So now which number is in units place? Number 1. Okay. So how many units we are going to draw? 1. And which number is in tens place? Number 2. So how many tens we are going to draw? 1 and 2. Which number is in hundreds place? Number 2. Correct. So how many hundreds we are going to draw? 1 and 2. So 200, that is 2H. 2T, that is 2 tens, that is 20 and 1 unit. 21. So 221. Okay. Now below that, which number is in units place? Number, yes, 5. Okay. So how many units we are going to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4 and here comes the 5. Okay. And how many tens? How many? 1. Correct. Because only one number is there. How many 100? Yes, only 1 because 100. So 1 H is there, that is 100. 1 T, that is 10, and 5 units. So 110 plus 5 unit is 15. So 115. Now we will add unit to units. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here is 6. Okay. Now how many tens? 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens. How many 100? 1, 2, 3. So 300. Now if we add 221 plus 115, we are going to get the same answer, 336. Okay, see, 1 plus 5 will be 6 and 2 plus 1 will be 3 and 2 plus 1 again will be 3. Okay. Now 2, 2, 2, that is 222 plus 1, 1, 1, that is 111. Now which number is in units place? 2. So how many units we are going to draw? 1, 2. Correct. Which number is in tens place? Yes. Again number 2. So 1 and here comes jumping the another 10. Okay. So 2 tens and 2 units. How many hundreds? 1 and here comes one more. So 2H, that is 200, 2T, that is 2 tens, 2U, that is 2 units. So 222. Now the next number, which number is in units place? Number 1. Okay, so how many units we are going to draw? 1. Correct. And how many tens? 1. Correct. And how many hundreds? 1. Okay. So 1H, that is 100. 1T, that is how much? 10. Correct. And 1 unit. So that is only 1. So 111. Okay. Now let us add. How many units we are having? 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to write 3 units. How many tens? 1, 2, 3. So we are going to write 3 tens. How many 100? 1, 2 and 3. So 300. So when we add 2 plus 1, that is 3. 2 plus 1 again 3. 2 plus 1 again 3. So if we add 222 plus 111, we get the same answer, that is 333. Okay. So with this, children, we finish our session of addition without carrying over part 4. See you in the next session. Till then, bye and see you soon.